Seen them new Nike tracksuits, lad?
Oh, I really wanted them. We should both get matching ones.
Oh, but we've got no money and they're only out for a limited time.
Oh yeah, they're only out for a limited time and we've literally got no money. Oh, when did you get paid, Mum?
Yesterday, why?
Oh, did you? She got paid yesterday.
Just them new Nike tracksuits. Only 60 quid, quite good for a new tracksuit, like.
Yeah, they're nice.
Ah.
Yeah. So like, I don't know if we could get one or not, but yeah, it'd be mad that if we had them.
Yeah.
Proper nice, aren't they? I really want them.
Yeah. Fucking hell, my knee's been killing us, mate.
What's wrong with your knee?
Oh, it's just off when I slide tackled Lionel Messi.
What? The footballer Messi?
Yeah, and scored against fucking
Bro.
David De Gea.
That's sick. How the fuck did you get one past him?
Because I'm just sick, aren't I? And I play for fucking Barcelona.
Oh, do you?
Yeah.
Mate, I've never known that my whole
I
life.
literally told you I signed to them last week.
But you're only 18.
Yeah. Their youngest player's literally 14.
Is he?
Yeah, you're allowed, you know.
Oh,
No.
fucking hell.
I'm gonna go and get some paracetamol for this knee here.
Alright, love.